Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing I've just received from the Royal Mint. Let's get straight into it. And first up, we have 1 ounce silver bar. Actually, let me just take it out of this bag, we'll get a better look at it. Right, so as I said, it's a 1 ounce silver bar from the Royal Mint out of the new Star Wars collection. Very nice looking bar. Yep, they have it, 1 ounce 3/9 silver. Really nice looking bar. Yeah, happy with that one. Let's see what else we've got in here. This is a bit of gold. So let me just take it out of this packet. Yeah, here we are. It's a 1 gram gold bar, Britannia by the Royal Mint. It's a really nice looking bar. I know I said I wouldn't really be picking up much fractional gold, but while I was on there shopping, I thought I might as well stick one in the basket. And here it is. Very nice looking bar. It's not really going to focus there, but not to worry. We'll have a look at that in a different video. Maybe looking at the gold or something that I've got. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. It's just one more item. I did say it's just a little unboxing video. And here we are. It's another 1 ounce silver bar. This one is Una and the Lion, and this is a very nice looking bar. I really love the look of these ones. And I apologise for the lighting in this video, I'm just currently getting to grips with this new setup. And I will work on that for the next video. But yes, what a lovely bar this is. Definitely be getting myself a few more of them. And that wraps it up for the unboxing today. Very nice little collection there. I would just like to say my experience ordering from the Royal Mint, which wasn't the best service. I did order this back in May. I've only just received it, so that's not great. And I really don't like buying silver from the Royal Mint anyway, just because of the premiums they have added on, then you're paying tax on top as well. I mean, they're really good for buying gold. You're not paying any VAT or anything on that. And it's free delivery, so that don't have really a problem with that. But when I'm buying silver myself, I pretty much just buy most of it on eBay. And you're getting it quicker than the Royal Mint, cheaper than the Royal Mint. So that's the way I like to do it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.